Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video. In this video, we'll learn how to fix a critical error on a WordPress website. As you can see on the screen, we're getting a critical error. First, open a new tab and log into your Gmail account. There, you'll find an email from WordPress regarding the error. Open that email and click on the recovery link provided. Once you click the link, a new tab will open with the login page. Enter your website's email and password, then click on the login button. After logging in, go to the plugins section from the sidebar. Scroll down and you'll see a notification indicating a failed plugin. Click Deactivate on that plugin. Then click Exit Recovery Mode. Next, reopen the email you received from WordPress. Find the link mentioned in that email again. Now, open a new tab and go to the Hostinger website. In your Hostinger dashboard, click on File Manager. Then navigate to Public HTML. Open the WP Content folder, and then the Plugins folder. Scroll down and click on the SureForms folder. Then click on the API folder, and inside that, open the blockpatterns.php file. Once it opens, find the problematic code, select and delete it. Then click Save. After that, go back to your website with the error and click Reload. As you can see, the issue has been resolved. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.